Okay guys, ang next video natin before we go to the task section is to explore the different parts of a project. So, ito yung ginawa natin kanina na project. Let's go inside by clicking on it. And dito sa project overview, makikita natin yung mga information na in-enter natin dun sa project details kanina when we created this project. If we need to change anything, we can edit by clicking the edit button. And aside dito guys, we can also see other tabs on the top like members, milestone, task, taskboard, files, invoices, time logs, discussion, and notes. So punta muna tayo dito sa members. From here, sa member section, pwede kang mag-enter ng additional people na may involved sa project na to. So pwede mo silang piliin dito. So right now kasi wala na tayong additional team members since na-add na natin. Pero dito lalabas yung mga additional people na nasa Collabida system nyo. Pwede mo ring i-add yung entire department using the add team input box dito. If you add an entire team or department, lahat ng tao na added sa department na yon will be included in this project. Next is the milestone. So dito, we can create different types of milestone depending on the type of project or the project life cycle na ginagamit ng team nyo. So you just add or click the create milestone and then define the milestone title, yung status niya, yung cost, and then yung deadline, etc. Summary, yan. So provide mo lang yung mga yan. So good to, yun nga, kung may mga projects kayo na medyo mahaba yung duration and then you want to separate each milestone ng specific project na yon. Dito naman sa task, this is where we add tasks that is under this project. And then we can assign people for that specific task. So mamaya babalikan natin to. Yan, task board is kinda Kanban way of showing the different tasks na under ng project na to. Later, kapag meron na tayong task or mamaya, i-explore natin yung task board and how we can make use of this. Files naman is a place where you can upload files, add links that are related or can support or can help your team do this project. So, pwede kayong mag-upload dito ng mga documents, di ba? Mga PDF, presentations, or add links na can be reference for your team. Invoices. So for this project, say you are working on this project for a specific client, you can add the invoice para sa project na to so the client can receive or can be billed for this project. Time lags. Okay, sa time lags naman, this is where your team who are involved in doing this project can add their time, yung time na na-spend nila. Okay, so later kapag meron na tayong task, pwede nilang piliin ano yung task na ginawa nila for this specific project. And then, sino yung gumawa ng task na yon, kailan niya na-start, kailan niya natapos, yung time range, then yung total hours spent. And then for the memo, it can be a short note about the task that has been done or has been finished. And then hit save. Kapag nag-add tayo ng time log, bali re-reflect dito sa project na to yung mga time spent ng mga tao for this project. That way, you can bill it with your client or show it to the client or to the project leader can use it to evaluate yung naging performance ng mga tao or ng team doon sa specific project. Okay, let's go to the discussion tab. On this discussion tab, you can discuss or have some conversation with your team, with your client about this specific project. Then for the notes section, dito naman nakalagay yung mga additional notes that can be used for this project. Okay? So that's additional settings or information with regards to project.